Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from the Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing of the YAQUN white Undermount kitchen sink. It's made out of white quartz stone, and it comes with a lot of different accessories. Right off the bat, we have here the instruction guide. It's nice and big. Comes with all the mounting hardware that you need, and even some additional plastic parts. What's nice is how interchangeable this sink is, and you can really put a lot of different things on depending on what you're cooking, depending on what you're cleaning. This high quality cutting board, it actually fits nicely into the slots here, and this will basically allow you to cut stuff up and easily just clean it off right into the sink. You have this colander. This is very nice because you don't need a separate colander. You literally just have it right here. You can pour your pasta in there, drain it out, and then pick this up, boom, straight into the next thing. It'll make your cooking a lot simpler. You also have this mini sink up here. As you can see, it has this stopper. You take that out and you can basically drain stuff out through there, drain water out, or you can go ahead and plug it up and just keep water in there. Maybe you want to soak something. It's perfect for that. Next, you got this little drying rack. You can actually make this longer or shorter. That also fits up here in the sink, and you can just place whatever you want on it, move it off to the side. This part would actually be what you would screw on at the bottom of the sink, and it's what all the water would flow through to your garbage disposal, to your pipes. So you got this stopper if you want to stop it, you want to fill up your sink with water. You've got this little strainer. This can also catch food particles, so you could go ahead and just dump those out into the green waste. And this is what it looks like on the inside here. It's just standard plumbing fittings. You have this convenient rack here with these nice rubber pads, and you can set this at the bottom of your sink. Let's see if we can get an angle on that. And basically that will allow you to place things at the bottom of your sink and not get them all grimy with any food waste, any particles that are in the water sitting underneath that. Overall, this thing's high quality. There are different mounting options as listed on that piece of paper that was included. So you just basically need to cut your sink to size, cut through the wood or whatever you have, and then you can easily mount this with the included mounting tools. And let me tell you, this thing's high quality, and it'll definitely enhance your kitchen if you want to add a modern looking sink that has all the amenities. Thanks for watching.